In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Mozilla Firefox in just a few simple steps. This is really helpful if you want Firefox to display menus, settings, and browser text in a different language, whether you're using a shared computer, setting up a new device, or just prefer browsing in another language. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click the menu button, which looks like three horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. This opens the main Firefox menu. From here, click Settings. That will take you to the Firefox settings page where you can change different browser options. On the settings page, look for the Languages section and click Languages. This is where Firefox lets you manage the language preferences used in the browser. Next, find the preferred language option and click the drop-down menu. When the list appears, simply select any language you want from the available options. After you choose it, Firefox will update the language preference for your browser. In some cases, you may need to restart Firefox or refresh the page for the change to fully apply. So keep that in mind if you do not see the new language immediately. And that's it. You've now changed the language in Mozilla Firefox. It only takes a moment once you know where to look, and now your browser can feel much more comfortable to use. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.